As summer in London tends to look like this, I wanted to check what the other side of Europe, 3 hours away, looked like. Croatia did not disappoint. But my early journey from London got me straight into a boat ride without any planning. I followed my gut and realized that Dubrovnik had everything already aligned to showcase its beauty. Although I almost lost my spine on this epic boat ride, the fact that I was surrounded by positive energy and sunshine was a great reminder to why we should escape to the unknown.
And I'm back again for another trip. So quick weekend getaway to Croatia. We're doing 2 countries in 5 days. But right now it's 7 a.m. and I'm in London catching a flight out to Dubrovnik, Croatia. I can't wait, and especially as this is the current weather in London. I mean, it's not really a summer here, so let's go. Alright, let's get the head out of here. How great it is. Croatia! New country unlocked. Let's go. My first time in Croatia.
Oh, your first time?
Yes. I don't know how to say hello. How to say hello?
You can say hello, yeah, because I speak English, yeah.
But I mean, I want to learn.
Yeah.
I want to learn Croatian.
Hello, you can say Bog.
Pog.
Bog, yeah.
Bog.
Yeah.
Bog. Okay. And thank you.
Hvala.
Pola.
Hvala, hvala.
Koala.
H.
H.
Hvala.
Hvala. Hvala.
H, hvala.
Oh, okay. So glad I'm out of the UK.
Dubrovnik, often called the Pearl of the Adriatic, is a UNESCO World Heritage City on Croatia's Dalmatian coast, famed for its medieval walls and stunning sea views.
Right, so I made it to a hostel. It's really nice, actually, one of the nicest hostels I've ever stayed in, and there's no one. So you got your lockers, towels, and a terrace with this view. And actually, I'm doing something a bit crazy already. So I just landed, and I'm gonna go meet my cousin. Yes, I've got family who's also traveling here. I'm gonna go meet him. He's on a fully booked boat tour, but I'm still gonna go and attempt to get on this boat tour, and it's in 45 minutes. So I have to change, and I don't have a swimsuit. I forgot it. I need some cash, and I need to do all of this in 45 minutes to figure out a way to get there and see if I can get on this boat. Hopefully it works out. But yeah, here's the hostel. Can't believe I'm in Croatia. I mean, I just got off the plane and I'm on it. Let's go. Alright, I'm already out of the hostel. I spent like 10 minutes there, just changed. I don't have a swimsuit, but I'm just gonna swim in this if we manage. Yeah, the weather is incredible. It's 28 degrees. Oh my god, got a boat there, look at it. Very lush, and the views are stunning. So yeah, hopefully I can get on this boat with my cousin. I'm so excited to see him. So it's nice when you have the family around as well to enjoy with. So if this works out, it's gonna be great. I haven't booked anything, I'm just rocking up literally like a tourist to see if they can take me on. Oh, wow. And yeah, this is how I roll. So straight from London. I mean, you've seen how great it was into this the same day and into a possible boat ride. Oh, I love my life. See, this is why you should leave the UK. How gorgeous is this, right? Wow. So the meeting point is actually right next to the hostel. So we had no idea. So it worked out pretty well. And this is my way there. I mean, come on. Ah, je filme, ça ne dérange pas. Thank you. Oh. Oula. Sorry. Oh, Mr. Smith, thank you. Woo! Made it! Woo! Okay, no swimsuit, no problem. Yalla. How can you say no to this? Yalla. Let's go.
Ça sert à rien d'aller se presser en vrai parce que y a...
The first stop is Blue Caves. So you can go in there and swim into the Blue Cave. Wow. Alright, my turn to jump. Attends, je vais lancer ça déjà. Oh my god, this water is so blue. Vas-y. Ok, c'est bon, ouais.
qui regarde en tout genre. Avec les vagues, ça peut t'emmener au plafond du
Hello.
Hello.
Oh my god. This morning I was on the plane. Now I'm going inside a cave. I am slightly claustrophobic, so it's a bit hard, but let's go. Wouh! Ouais, c'est cool, c'est bon. Waouh!
Ya voy a tomar la foto, espera.
Pardon, sorry. Sorry.
Listo, Sheima.
Très chouette. Ça va en fait, hello. Ah ouais, c'est hyper bleu. Ouais, c'est stylé. Alright, time for booze on the boat now. So, casually arriving at the beach like this in my underwear. Oh, quelle vue!
cassé le pied, moi.
Ça va, tu vas mal, là?
Ouais, là,
j'ai douillé. Attention, le sol est très chaud.
So we decided to take the taxi to the village. Et on sait pas ce qu'il y a dans ce village.
We'll see. Let's see, let's see.
Let's see. Ce sera un vlog un peu bilingue. Hein.
C'est clair.
Off to the village without shoes. Ah ouais, c'est le meilleur siège en fait.
As it often occurs, the best plans are the spontaneous ones. We let ourselves be guided with our energy to explore the other side of this beautiful island, all barefoot.
Where's the village? Ah, genre tout au fond là.
I was surprised at the amount of energy I was getting rather than the opposite. At this point, I had completely forgotten that I travelled. It finally felt like I was submersed in the scenes that I belonged to.
Moins touristique que l'autre côté, tu vois, je dirais.
We came to find was much more of a local vibe where people were truly enjoying the moment with life's most simple pleasures.
I just had a little swim here. Amazing. Incredible little beach. And now it's time to head back to the last stop with the boat.
Side. First corner goes on the left, and as deep as you go, the darker it gets.
Okay.
So just maybe wait a little bit, adapt your eyes, then go for it. It's really nice when you're coming out and you see the light. I always say. And one on the left is the best one. You have two narrow chambers you need to squeeze through. When you come to the first chamber, you will stand on the sand. You will see just below you. You're gonna have just for two persons room to squeeze through. That's it. You will see lots of air pockets all around. When you finish those chambers, you will need to walk on the rocks a little bit and then go back into the sea. You're gonna swim around this corner here. You're gonna eventually come up here. Just have in mind, it's a 20-minute adventure.
It sounds like we're gonna get lost.
You can do it. It's really easy, but
What if you're
for some people it's a little
claustrophobic?
bit. Yeah, if you are, just come back.
If you're claustrophobic, come back.
Come back the
Thank
same
you,
way.
yeah.
That's it. But it's not that dramatic.
I don't think I'm gonna take the camera.
The one on the left is the
You'll
best.
follow me.
Also, if you're a little bit scared, go all the way to the point where
Okay.
you need to squeeze through, then come back.
Okay.
Because you have lots of air pockets all around to explore.
Do you have a lifeline?
Yeah, I won't film this.
Guys, kids can do this. So don't.
It occurred to us that we didn't need to risk our lives inside dark caves without any real life insurance, especially as we could just enjoy the turquoise waters that were surrounding us, which is exactly what we did.
Tell me we're going in here. Are we going in there? It's not safe. Ah, but yeah, there's too much current. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, right. I saw a boat go in there though. Alright, we're trying another
Pas du tout dans les classements.
Oh my god!
C'est un truc la musique en plus.
Goodbye, spinal cord! J'avoue que la... Alright, so we just finished the boat tour just in time for this beautiful sunset, and look at those colors over the hills. That's where my hostel is. What a first day in Croatia. Wow, straight from London on the plane to here to a boat ride and swimming. I've only slept for 5 hours and I'm full of energy. This is what vitamin D does to you guys, seriously, like incredible. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this. I hope you enjoyed seeing the sunshine of Croatia on my first day. Stay tuned for the next episode. I'm gonna go into the old town, Dubrovnik, tomorrow, and tonight also probably gonna experience some nightlife. Yeah, see you for the next one.